This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to find and download the Epic Games Launcher. Now, I'm right here on the Epic Games Launcher, the main sort of Epic Games Store downloads page. So you can find this at store.epicgames.com/downloads. Now, I'll put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can easily just click that link and wind up here. Super simple. So it will know what operating system you are on. I'm on a Mac OS, so it's obviously chosen that correctly. There's also a Windows version, Android, there's an iPhone version now, and an iPad version as well. Those two are EU only, apparently. So you will click on the install button at the top. If you're on Windows, it will say install on Windows. Like I say, I'm on Mac OS, so we're going to click right there. And just like that, you see the little icon flies up. I'm on Google Chrome on my Mac, so all of the files and folders that I download go directly to the downloads folder. Now, depending on the configuration you have with your browser, you will find the installer wherever your browser sends its downloaded files to. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download the Epic Games Launcher useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.